Hey friends, if you encounter the error, a JavaScript error occurred in the main process message on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is to delete the app data folder. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command percentage app data percentage and hit enter. And return one, what do we say? Page back. Okay, just what do we say, delete all the app data folder contents. Okay, you'll have to click on skip because a few of them will still be in use, but you can delete whatever you can. Okay, so this will be the solution, and the second one is to re-register the javascript.dll file. I have shared the command in the description section of the video, but just for your information, it's easy to remember: regsvr32 space jscript.dll. Okay, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.